Alright, so now we got our timing established and everything looks good on it. So we want to start with taking the heads off. So before we start taking the side covers off, because we're going to have to use the little timing mark to check this head when we take it off, we want to leave all this intact and we want to focus on the head. So we just basically got to get the stuff out of the way, like the carburetors, if the duals were still here, or this single carb intake that was on this one. We got to get that off, and we got to get some of these little lines off. So we'll get started on that, and then we'll see if we can take a head off. So now we got a little pipe off, so we want to loosen up these on top. And what we want to do now, we got the big ones loose. So now what we want to do is go ahead and take the timing chain loose. While we're at it, we'll do the same for the other side and get it broke free. And for this one, it's going to turn opposite. Alright, so he's broke free. Now we can take our timing chain off and be careful that you don't drop anything, because there's a little washer right there and you don't want to drop that down in your motor. But what's nice is there's a little dent on the inside of that that lines up with that little holder right there. Okay, so with that loose, now what we can do is, so you got tension on it right now, so we got to loosen up the tensioner. So the easiest thing to do if you're disassembling is just take the tensioner off. You could loosen it up with a screwdriver, but we're just going to take it loose. Yeah, it's too tight to get a socket in there, so I'm going to have to go get a wrench and we will take that. Alright, we got our tensioner off. And now our chain is loose. Alright, so now that our chain is loose, what we can do is just ease that gear forward. Like that. And then you want to normally try not to drop your chain. But since we're taking everything apart, we're not too worried about it. There we go. So we got our gear off. And that looks good. Note the direction of the little bitty dot goes to the outside. Alright, so our cam is free. Okay, so now we got everything loose and we can pull the head off. So we just got to unbolt everything else on here, which is these two and one around back, and then we ought to be about ready to lift this thing off. now all we got to do is once it's free, we should be able to just pick the head up. There we go. So as you can see, get it in the camera. So as you can see, these little pieces of something, those are actually the head gasket. But the surface of the head looks fine. So I don't see any major tears. So I think this head's going to be okay as far as here, as long as we don't have a bent valve or anything. But we're going to go through and put new seals and everything on it. And you can also see that right here, laying on top of the motor, that's the remains of the head gasket. So right there you can see the head gasket was gone on this one. So this one I had never opened up. This is the results of a head gasket. And if you want to know what it should look like, here is the kit, and you can see right here, this is the head gaskets. It's little rings of metal with something in between. So we got the kit, so we'll be able to change those out as well. So what we got to do is get all this metal that's accumulated in here out of here before we take the jugs off, or else all of that's going to go right down into our motor. Alright, so there's head number 1 off. So we'll go ahead and pull the second head off, and then we'll put them on the bench and we'll rebuild those heads. So let's get this one off. Oh, before we do that, we're in the wrong spot. I almost made a mistake, because right here, if you can see in the camera, there's my top dead center mark, and I just about pulled that head without rotating. So what I need to do is rotate the motor around until I get that little mark on there again. There we go. Loose, and we should be in the up position. Got to move, baby. Come on. Got to move out of the way. Good boy. And now we can take the other one. So see, it's still tight right now. Let's take this tension loose. And there we go. So one thing to note is where that little acorn was right there, on that one, that goes to this position in the head right here, and inside of there, which just fell out, is a little washer. So right here is a little washer that goes underneath that acorn nut. So just be sure you keep up with those. Don't let it fall down in your motor. Alright, so we got our heads off. We got the ones we're going to rebuild. So we're going to set them up on the bench and we're going to do a rebuild. So that'll be the next piece of our motor rebuild puzzle. And we'll also make it the next series in our video. Alrighty, well, thanks for watching.